Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm gonna be talking about web servers. So, I'm gonna keep this really simple, really short. I'm gonna tell you what a web server is, and we're gonna go over a few different names for web servers. And I'm also gonna show you the type of prices you can expect. So, let's jump right into it. So, what is a web server? A web server is pretty much any computer that is connected to the internet that allows public or even private access remote by another computer. So, for example, if you could access my computer from where you are, or something on my computer from where you are, then my computer would be referred to as a web server. And web servers host the internet. So, if you're if you go for you to go to a website and be able to see the content, that content needs to be on someone's computer or some company's computer somewhere else. So the web servers are the backbone of the internet. So you might see web servers called a few other things. A few other names are, for example, uh, virtual machine or VM. What this means is that you're not actually getting an entire physical server, but what you're getting is the resources on a particular server. So let's say we have a web server, a physical machine with 12 gigs of RAM, a terabyte of storage, and 6 CPU cores. A virtual machine could be a virtualized environment. So let's say they want to split these resources on this computer and they want to split in half. So they want to give 3 cores to each person. They want to give 6 gigs to each person of RAM, and they want to give 500 gigabytes to each person. So now what you're not getting a full machine, you're getting a virtualized machine because it's using software to split the resources of that machine to allow multiple users to share those resources. So that's what's referred to as a virtual machine, and most of the servers on that you'll see for quote unquote purchase on the web will be virtual machines. And there are many other terminologies for virtual machines, like a VPS or what have you. So, but that's what you're gonna see for the most part. And the breakdown goes a bit further. So you might see terms like vCPU. What is a vCPU? That's weird, right? What's the V mean? The V also means virtual. So a CPU, or CPUs come with multiple cores, processing cores these days, and for generally speaking, you're gonna get a single core has 2 threads. So a processor can process 2 inputs at a single time because it has 2 threads, essentially. Oversimplification, but breaking down. Let's jump over to the pricing page. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Over to pricing, and you can see droplets, which are virtual machines, as well as $4 a month. So here we have vCPU. What is a vCPU? As I said, it's a virtualized CPU. So instead of getting one CPU core, you're getting one thread that's provided by that CPU core. So that's the difference between a CPU and a vCPU. SSD, that's a solid state storage. Just don't worry about that getting storage. For the most part, it won't matter except for very specific applications. But yeah, that is the basics of web servers. There's so much more to explain, but just want to give you a general overview, and I want to show you what kind of price you can expect. So DigitalOcean is one of the cheaper platforms, and the cheapest one they've got on sale is for $4 a month. So pretty much anyone can get into it as long as they have a method of paying online. There's probably some service provider that will accept your payment method and allow you to rent some server space from them. But that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to be touching in more detail on each of these topics, as well as showing you how to register for these platforms, and also how to get your own server, how to set things up on your server. So there's a lot more explanations on what certain things mean. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye, everyone.